Hello, good morning. Let me tell you, many people ask me, especially my dentist and my orthodontist, they say, how you get your teeth so white? And being funny, I brush them. But let me tell you what I use. I use peroxide. Peroxide is very healthy. And if you read on the back of the bottle, it tells you it's a great mouthwash. But now, the reason why I love it, but don't swallow it. You will get sick, I tell you. You don't want to swallow this peroxide. But the reason why I use peroxide, I don't use whitener. It is whitener. But I love the peroxide more because it takes away, just imagine when you get a cut on your hand and your finger, and the first thing that you do, you put peroxide on that wound, right? And it takes every bacteria or germs that is in that wound, correct? The peroxide heals. Now, I came up with a solution. I said, if it's doing that, and they always saying, I said I'm getting 60, and I love to keep my gums and everything so strong and healthy so I can keep my teeth. All right, I'm not ready for denture at the time. I'm not ready. No. Let's keep them healthy and strong. But now what we do, the peroxide. I take my peroxide, I put it in a bottle and just put it in my mouth and let it sit there. Now, how do you breathe? I breathe out of my nose and let it sit there. It's going to get very foamy. And just like you see on the store, it's going to get puffy. Just don't swallow it. And let it just sit in there. And then I take my toothbrush, toothpaste, and toothbrush. And also, I keep the peroxide in there. And I'm brushing my teeth with the peroxide in there. That's how I get my teeth so white. Peroxide is also a healthy whitening gum. How many times a day do I use my peroxide? Every time I'm brushing my teeth, I brush my teeth about 3 or 4 times a day. After each meal, brush. Healthy gum, healthy teeth.
Dance and brush your teeth. Brush your teeth with peroxide. It will make it white. It will keep your gum and everything, and just dance with peroxide. It will make it white. Dance, I say, with that. Dance, I say.